Daddy, wait. Go to daddy. Daddy, where's daddy?
Yay!
Where's yours?
Yes! Kaya!
Go get your gift. I'll make more. Here, I'll make more. Come here. Okay.
Kay Marco. Tigisa sila. Itabi ko muna. Ako magtatabi.
Okay. No, you take a picture first.
Hold your gift.
Hold your gift. Take a picture, hold your gift. Come on.
Look, Papa. Hey, I'll make more water balloon.
Ito, kaya ito.
One day.
Ayan, gagawin
You wanna open your gift now? Later. Let's open it.
Sige muna kasi.
Let's open it later. Open it later, okay? Now hold your. Open mo na yung wifi. Hold your gift. Show it to Papa. Show it to Papa. Hey, get your gift. Don't throw it. Give it to Mama. Hold it.
Lukatan na. Parang wala nga tayo. You want to
First mo lang, then Papa.
open it? You want to open it? Open.
You open.
You tear it. Ay, Marcos! No.
Now open your gift.
Tear it here.
Ayan, ikaw na.
I'll help you. Here.
Amay!
Amay, tawag ka, Amay.
Dali mo dyan.
Tutukan ka na.
What's that? Later,
Open na.
you keep it, okay? Lose it.
Wow!
What's that? I don't know. What's that?
That's your bag. That's your bag. That's your bag.
Dali. Don't na give.
That's your car.
Oh, may pera pa. Wow! May pera na si Mami. Hindi niya alam.
Hindi niya pa alam kaya kay Mami talaga.
Put it back inside. Put it inside. Do you like your bag? Do you like it? Okay.
You wanna go to school now? You wanna go to school? Like, wow!
Si Chiki, yung mga matatanda.
Matatanda.
Chiki.
Okay, thank you.
Kuya.
Oh, Sean.
Hoy, Ethan!
Ethan!
Jason! Kuya, tawagin mo yung kuya mo.
Edad na na.
Yung mga isip bata, wala ba?
7.
Ayun, ito. Wala ka? Okay.
Yeah, come here.
Wala. Wala.
Wala kang gift?
May gift siya. Ay, meron ka ba? Dumodoble yung tatay ah.
Bawing-bawi ka na.
I-open nyo kasi ibang gift, nandun na yung pera sa ulo. Ay, pala yun. Wow! Nasa ano?
Oh, nandito na.
Nasa bag, nasa bag.
May pera yan.
Tapon nyo na yung bag, akin na yung pera.
Open nyo. Open mo daw na.
Inverter talaga, inverter. Maliit lang yung maliit. Yung wala, open it again. Open mo, ikaw mag-open.
Open mo.
Kitaptan na mapupo ka.
Wala umon ang
What's that? Yeah, come here. Put it in your bag.
Kaya's bag. Here.
Okay na.
Put it in your bag.
Put it here. We'll buy ice cream tomorrow. That's your bag.
Coco Martin.
Karo, tira. May nagtangkin pa yun.
Okay, yung gifts nyo naman. So,
Mo kasi
10
pati
mga parents.
nakamura ko.
Para, bigay yung gifts.
Na-shot nung magpiglak.
So, yung mga parents, bigay nyo na yung ano nila, something gift.
Yung gift?
Sa mga anak. Then, gift, dito kayo mag-open ng present.
Oh, pinang yung present. Tawagin mo si Papa mo.
Bang, ganda ng present ni Kaya.
Yael, come here, your present.
Oh, yan nga.
Yael! Yael, ikaw na daw. Yael!
Yeah, put it now.
Yael!